guys, Crazy Gamer here. Welcome back to my channel. In a previous video, I had reviewed and opened the AirFix 1/24th scale Hawker Typhoon with the car door style, and that's going to be part of a build along with another channel, Nigel's Modeling Bench. And this was sent to me from a friend of mine from Korea, stationed over there. And he said that this would be an awesome upgrade to that kit. So I'm opening it up here. I haven't opened it yet. I just retrieved it. And I was told that it is a fantastic kit. I had gotten the Edard kit, Big E set for it. But this is, I hear, a different type of upgrade kit. It's from Mark 1 Design, I'm told. And we're gonna take a look at this together. Wow, they really wrapped it up here. So, ooh, I can see some brass in here. Ooh, I see some stuff in here. Here it is. So, from KA Models, it is for the Hawker Mark 1B. And then it looks like we have some, wow, metal landing. Wow, is that little bullets? We're going to open this up. Wow, this is one heck of an upgrade kit, let me tell you. Let's take a look at what's in here. It appears that we have some springs. I'm not sure what that is. Some springs. We have some rocket heads for the rockets. We have the rockets themselves, some brass gun barrels, and I don't know if you can see that in there. That actually looks like brass ammunition for the guns. And then we have resin wheels. And it looks like magazines for the guns, and then we have some photo etch for the front. Here, let's see what we got here. So we have this photo etch. This looks like possible landing gear or flap detail. That could possibly be flap detail. And then we have some white metal here for the propeller, the prop. Wow, that is thick and heavy duty. And then it also appears that we have some landing gear pieces. So we'll have to see how that goes together. Like I said, we have the tips for the rockets. We have the cockpit gauges. You can see that. Sorry about the glare. Wow, this has got individual little gauges and levers that you glue on. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, this is insane for a kit. And then we have, these look like flap detail. These look like the flat detail also. I think maybe the other one are engine detail. I'm not sure. Detail KA Models. Oh, and then there's the resin pieces. I think I showed that. It does show the weight on the tires. So let's see here. Let's take a look at what we got here. We have the rockets. This is all landing gear pieces. Here's how the instrument panel goes together. This appears to be the seat belts. And then we have the guns. Here's the looks like we got resin bodies. Oh wow, the springs go in the guns. I guess they move. Or that's for detail, I'm not sure. And then we have the flaps. And then we have the rockets with their photo etch on them. Wow, you have to make 32 of these photo etch fins. Wow, 8 rockets, 4 times 8. And then you got the Hispano cannon. Okay, here's what it looks like inside the gun with all of the ammunition. As you can see, all that ammunition. Does it say how to assemble the ammunition? No, the ammunition is not showing how to do this here. It looks like a piece of photo etch is for the ammunition. I'm not seeing what. Maybe it's these pieces here. You stand those up. It says 13. Yeah, B13 and 14. That is what it is right there. So, little ammunition. They go into. You can leave the flaps open for that. Here it shows the wheels, the cannon, some engine detail, different engine detail for the intake, the cockpit, seat belts. I believe this is the rudder pedals right here. Take a look at this side. This is that flap detail. We got grill detail there. Then we have the rockets and what it looks like complete. So you can either build the 4-blade or the 3-blade prop. Different options to choose from. But yeah, this is from Mark 1 Design. www.ka-models.com. A buddy of mine in Korea saw my video and he goes, "Hey, you're still building that kit?" He goes, "I seen this in a shop and did you like one? I'll send it over to you." So he sent me this. He's a good friend of mine, so I'll probably have to pay for it later. But we'll see what happens. So that's it. I'll show you this cockpit detail one more time so you can just see all the gauges. Show you everything. We'll show you the little bits of brass ammunition, brass barrels, rockets, all kinds of. Wow, this is all like nicely machined. I can't get over them little rockets. Can't get over them little rockets at all. It's insane. So, but that's this. This is for the 124th Hawker Typhoon by AirFix, the Mark 1B. It work on the car door set or the regular one, from what I'm told. But this will be an upcoming vid. As I said, it's a build along with another channel. I'm going to follow his videos. I've never built an aircraft before, but I'm looking forward to it. And I was told that this is a good scale to do that in. I think that's about it for this. So, I'm going to wrap this up. Stay tuned for more on this Hawker Typhoon. And subscribe, like the videos, leave comments below. I'm building a Yag Tiger, 1/16 scale Yag Tiger. I'm building a Berg Panther. I'm going to be starting a 1/35th scale Panther A late. Subscribe, and you can watch all these videos. I try to post videos daily on a range of things. I do reviews on things. I do build series, a build along series, and all that good stuff. That'll do it for today for Crazy Gamers Models. I am the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.